Well, hey folks, how's it all going? Welcome back in. Oh man, in the land of grills, and you're gonna say you're cooking on the Masterbuilt again. You know when you get a new grill and you just want to try everything, you just want to do everything once and say, hey man, I wonder how it does this. Well, I'm in one of those modes today, and how's it gonna do some cheap center cut beef ribs from Walmart, folks? And that's what we're gonna do in today, folks. I know a lot of you are saying, hey, what about the rest of the mods? You know, you started last week by, you can see we put that orange gasket in there, which is so far held up really good. I only did one cook on it, so we're not gonna draw any conclusions yet on that. But we are gonna be tearing that apart soon, and I want to give you a look-see at. I did order the rebuild kit from Masterbuilt for the Firebox, and that's it right there. It's like 30 bucks, and I'll leave the link down below at Masterbuilt where you can get them, and it's got it's metal. There's no instructions with it. This is how it came. It came in a box that looks like someone threw together and put it in another big box. And it's got this, it's not like a fire brick. It's some sort of other type material that they're using there. So I actually, when I tear it apart, I'm actually gonna put this in to show you folks how to do that. But then we're also gonna maybe do some reinforcement to it and do our own kind of liner. I want to do a liner that doesn't involve any welding. I don't have the ability to weld, and I want to try to do it without bending any metal, so it's easy enough for you to do at home. But I'll tell you what, that's for another day. Today, let's take a look at those beef ribs. All right, so there's the Walmart beef ribs, $1.68 a pound, $6.45. Yeah, you know, you look at them and say, oh wow, that's a lot. Well, you know, there ain't much meat on there. But I've had these before, and they're actually pretty good. Like I said, not very meaty, because everything's been taken off for something else. I think the chuck roast or something sits on top of that. But I tell you what, let's get them seasoned up and get them on the grill. All right, all seasoned up there. If you're wondering what I'm using, Cosmo Q's dry rub Texas beef. This stuff is really nice, folks. We were talking about meat before, and I just remembered I wanted to give a shout out to another YouTube channel, and this guy's name is Meaty Mike. I'll leave the link down below, and he's got a very unique channel and likes to cook a lot of exotic type meat. In fact, one of his last videos I watched, he did meatloaf using camel meat. And you say, whoa, that's really different. And it was, but it looked pretty decent. So Meaty Mike, check him out on YouTube. I'll leave the link down below in the comment section. Folks, let's get it on the grill. All right, folks, the setup, you can see I'm using lump charcoal, B&B oak. I'll tell you what, I'm getting to be a real big believer in using the lump charcoal, and this thing in the B&B is awesome. I've got down lower, I've got a couple pieces of hickory mixed in, and I got a piece of hickory standing up in the ash bin, and I'm just using fire starters in there. Now I've got these, you can see them right there, and I just get them started with a torch, and don't forget to pull out your slides, and we'll get that fired up and get the ribs on. All right, folks, got the ribs on, been on for about half an hour. You see we got some nice smoke rolling out of there. That mod in the back for the vent cover, I tell you what, working really nice. Let's take a look at our ribs. 225 is what I got set on. Looks like we're a little bit below 225 on the gauge here. On the gauge there, we're reading 224. Water pan, typical setup, got the water pan, and there's our ribs. Smoke on there. Oh man. Give you a couple more look-sees, folks. All right, folks, about 2.5 hours to take a quick look here. Starting to get some really nice color on that. Keep on going, keep on giving you a look-see as we do. 4-hour mark, folks, and smoke is still rolling here. Take a look at our ribs. I've done nothing but spray just a little bit of water on there. Remember, smoke likes to stick to wet meat, so that's what it looks like right now. Plenty of smoke. I will probably turn them up here to about 300 and finish them off. Well, we're going to know they're done. We're going to use a toothpick test to make sure that it goes in and out real nice, and give you one or two more look-sees. All right, folks, ribs are done. Let's take a look here. Down at the grill, taking a look. Oh man, nice smoke ring on there. These are going to be perfect, folks. Walmart beef ribs, I'll tell you what, there ain't much meat on there, but they are tasty. Don't forget to check out Meaty Mike on YouTube, Tom Horseman at YouTube, and as always, folks, can't say it enough. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.